Let's unbox. Silicone couplers, clamps, cold side pipe, hot side pipe. Remove the old pipe, detach clamps and take out the stock charge pipe. Check the new pipe. Identify the 90 elbow and main pipe. Install the long pipe first. Slide silicone boots onto both ends, covering about 1 inch, and lightly tighten clamps. Position and adjust. Ensure clamps don't interfere with other parts and leave at least ½ inch of clearance. The Spelab logo must face downward. Secure everything. Tighten clamps properly not to loose or to tight. Test and inspect. Start the engine, check for leaks, and monitor boost pressure. Fast turbo response. Optimized design reduces turbo lag and speeds up boost response. Hot and cold side pipes. Efficiently transfer hot charge air and cold air to improve airflow efficiency. Durable surface, available in red powder coating or original treatment. Corrosion resistance and beautiful appearance. 3.5-inch wrinkle-free bend pipe. Compared with the stock pipe, the flow area is increased by 103% to reduce flow resistance. Performance and temperature optimization. Improve engine performance while reducing exhaust gas temperature (EGT). High-strength accessories. Equipped with silicone connectors and clamps to ensure pipe sealing and connection stability. Important tips. 1. Align pipes carefully to avoid leaks. 2. Don't over-tighten clamps, it can damage the boots. 3. Ensure pipes don't touch other components to prevent wear or noise.